Baby Sleep, Part 1. In this series, I am going to talk about how sleep is important and how one can get the baby sleep easily. Each night, when I go to sleep, I die, and the next morning, when I wake up, I am reborn. This is the quote by Mahatma Gandhi. A good laugh and a long sleep are the best cures in the doctor's book. Irish proverb. Whether you are suffering from chronic sleep problems like millions of people are today globally, or your sleep simply isn't quite as good as it used to be, or your sleep is already good but you are always hungry to learn more to optimize your health, mood, and performance even higher. So watch our videos to get baby sleep easily. There is misconception in the society. We live in a society where sacrificing sleep known as a sort of badge of honor. Saying like the following are commonplace. I don't have time to sleep. Sleep is a luxury I simply can't afford. So these kind of statements are very common nowadays. Actually, this is completely retrograde, and especially when you take into account the fact that sleep actually improve all of the things that the people saying these things want. Sleep, it actually improves the following: focus, creativity, productivity, critical thinking, decision making, good memory, and brain health. In addition, emotional well being also. Baby sleep advantages: eliminate fatigue, tiredness, brain fog from your life, filled with all day energy, good health, high performance, greater bliss, happiness. What is happening during sleep? Our body is repairing itself and our mind is busy consolidating memories as well as forming connections. Our energy, strength, willpower, and focus are all being replenished for the next day. Baby sleep advantages. So you will get consistent sleep or good quality sleep. Healthier, fitter, and happier as proven by sleep research. The research also proves that people who get good or better quality sleep can achieve faster learning, better memory. So you will get more motivated, highly focused, more productive, more creative, make better decisions, experience better mental health. About this series on sleep, in the subsequent videos, simple lifestyle changes will be dealt in depth. Can make right away to forever transform the quality of your sleep at night as well as your energy levels during the day, helping you to feel, function, perform at your physical, mental, emotional best and truly unleash your full potential. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. We will meet in the next video. See you. Bye bye.